Now, and another interesting tactic with the sacrifice is to entice the enemy to sacrifice material. Now, this is usually seen on a more advanced level whereby the opponent might be tempted into thinking that offering a sacrifice will lead to greater gains. So the trick here is to try to trick the enemy into sacrificing material. So without further ado, let us go to today's example. Okay, this is a very short mid-game position. Just started not long ago. Red would have attacked the central cannon and a rapid central point advancement variation. Now, it's still very early. Two chariots, two horses, two cannons for both colors. Black would have extra pawn, and both colors have full guard. So this will be perhaps be the early mid-game phase. Now, it will be red's turn to move. So in this board, example given was red playing h5 plus 6 to attack the horse. But there's also a possibility of attacking the elephant if the opportunity arose. Sorry, but this is a brash move. So how would black counter attack? He'll protect the horse, and let's say red continued to target the horse in this manner. Now this was exactly what black had hoped for. So if he played r2 equals to 7, red will play h3 equals to 5 to offer a train of chariots. And because red had used up too many moves to move the chariot and the horse, red would lose tempo, and red's left flank was still not developed, and black would have a significant advantage because his cannon and chariot would not be attacking this empty flank. So that is why r2 equals 7 is not a good idea. Let's say r2 equals to 3. Red would offer a train of material, sacrificing this horse in the process. But once the chariot was placed here, you'll be in deep trouble because we will counter very brilliantly with r3 plus 1, threatening to capture the um, chariot, which cannot retreat. The only move would be to advance, and red will play c2 c2 minus 1 to dislodge the chariot again. So the only place that the chariot can move will be to retreat, but after moving here it will be trapped because it cannot traverse, it cannot advance or retreat. And now the lack of development of red's left flank will become very prominent. Black would have upped his defenses, and now he will be prepared to attack with c8 plus 7. So speed-wise, the chariot can attack over here. There will be many different tactical combinations for a brilliant kill. So that is why black had enticed red to attack by sacrificing the horse. But in doing so, the chariot was trapped. Now let us look at the board from the eyes of black. Okay, h5 plus 6, bad move. And black immediately chose to sacrifice the horse. r2 equals to 3. If r2 equals to 7, the horses would be linked, forcing a trade of material. Again, red's chariot and cannon will be attacking this empty flank, and red will be in all sorts of trouble. But l2 equals to 3 was not a good idea because black would gladly sacrifice the horse and play r3 equals to 1 to guard the pawn rank and threaten the chariot. And again threatening the chariot, forcing to retreat over here, and black will now start his campaign on this flank. So I hope you've enjoyed this short but very nice example. If you do like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up.